and the crowd goes crazy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. There's a product out that is a really neat opportunity. And if I said gardening, you'd be like, well, of course, that's a good opportunity. And especially at this exact time of the year when everybody starts buying flowers, Mother's Day, planting flowers, planting vegetables, planting gardens, mowing their lawn, everything to do with what I'll call gardening. And so this is all about creating books and printables. So you're publishing using AI. So you can find profitable gardening niches in minutes, create books and printables fast using AI, let AI do the heavy lifting for you. You can launch your products on Kindle, KDP, and lots of other ones quickly and easily. And these are evergreen listings that can sell 24/7. They'll be gardening again next year. They'll be, and so on. Sorry about that. Simple step-by-step system. This is a whole system. It's not just, hey, why don't you try gardening niche? And I'll just run through this quickly. Again, $19.99, so $20. And here's what's included. One, Garden Goldmine Guide, 50 plus page blueprint for turning simple ideas into sellable books and printables. That's kind of your intro. And then the next part is the Garden Publisher Pro Custom GPT. It's your AI-powered assistant so you can generate the products. Expert tier prompt pack, which are the prompts, plug and play prompts, tell AI exactly what to create so you get professional results. Top 25 garden niche gold mines report. So these are 25 profitable sub-niches, so you can go right into winning ideas that people are already looking for. Seasonal content calendar, so you get the idea. Lawn mowing in the beginning, planting of tulips and stuff in the fall. There's a seasonal kind of thing to it. Putting fertilizer in for before the end of the year, that kind of thing. 30-day garden publishing action plan takes you from idea to published product in 30 days, the whole thing, and not just one product, but a series. Training videos, transcripts, the AI side hustle guide to turning AI into additional income streams beyond garden publishing. So this whole thing, $20. I'm going to put the link for you in the podcast description. This is from Amy Harrops, a well-known internet marketer who puts together really in-depth publications. That's the best way to put it. So she puts together money-making guides. And so she put everything you need into one complete system, and it is $20. There's some upgrade offers if you want that will help you to do some extra things. You can check that out. But to start off, the whole plan is $20. So the link is in the video description, or not the video, but the podcast description for Garden Goldmine AI-powered publishing for books and printables. Click the link and go check it out. It's at my site at marketingsharks.com. It's called Garden Goldmine AI-powered publishing for books and printables. Check it out from Amy Harrop. You're going to love it. Enjoy.